How to fix Windows Start menu not working. Okay guys, all you need to do, just press on your keyboard Ctrl Shift and Escape, and you will see Task Manager, and move here to Process, and find here like me Windows Explorer, go right click, and you will see Restart. Click on it. If you still need help, just close this, press Windows button R, and type this command like me, Explorer exe, and go here OK, and you will see this. And now try to test your start. If you still have issue, close this, press Windows button and type CMD, and you will see Run as Administrator, open it, and go yes, and type this command like me, and hit enter, and wait this to finish. After finishing this, just close this, press Windows button and type again CMD, and open Run as Administrator, and type this command sfc/scan now, and hit enter, and wait for this. After finishing this, just close this and restart your PC. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix Windows Start menu is not working fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.